Tired of seeing that unactivated screen on your new Safepal device? Let's banish that frustration and get you securely managing your crypto in under 90 seconds. First things first, unbox your Safepal device and make sure you have the USB cable handy. We'll need that to connect to your computer for firmware updates. Now, download the Safepal app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play once installed. Open the app and look for the pair or bind option. It's usually found on the home screen or in the settings menu. On your Safepal device, power it on and navigate through the initial setup screens. You'll eventually be presented with a QR code. Back in the Safepal app, use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on the device. This initiates the pairing process. The device will then prompt you to create a secure PIN code. Choose a strong and memorable code, but don't write it down anywhere digitally. This is the most important step. Your Safepal device will generate a 12 or 24-word recovery phrase. Write this down carefully and store it in a safe, offline location. This phrase is your key to recovering your funds if you ever lose or damage your device. Triple check to make sure they are written in the correct order. Congratulations! Your Safepal device is now activated. You can now start adding your favorite cryptocurrencies and enjoying secure, offline storage of your assets. Finally, make sure to update the firmware to the latest version for optimal security. Explore the settings to customize security options and adjust the interface to your preference. You're all set to start trading, hodling, or however you choose to manage your crypto assets securely.